I'm sorry about Danny.
Don't ever mention her name. Ever. The Frenchman. Remember him? Come on, try.
Lambert.
Is that his name? Who is he? Come on, Simon, tell me everything you know about this man! Don't cut it out.
5 numbers, all the same prefix.
For where?
Cottesford.
Seen Dr. Ramsay, have you?
Sorry?
He didn't seem to go out.
Never heard him.
Right. You're on your own.
Your first time?
Yes.
You'll love it. Everybody loves the Cotswolds.
Really?
And it gets more popular year after year.
Oh, sorry about that. Wedding reception Saturday morning. More planning than D-Day.
You were about to show me my room.
So I was. Can I help you, sir?
Yeah, I'd like a room, please.
Is that, for one night, or...?
Can I let you know later?
Certainly. Just fill in one of these, will you? So we have it back. Do you have any luggage?
It's in the car. Just go and get it.
How's the trout?
Ready and eager.
Great.
Bull Hotel. Hello, 4872? Yeah, I've got your number here, but not your address. You're right across from the ball. Thank you. Antique shop. Yes, operator. I'm trying to call a local Cottesford number, but I keep on getting the unobtainable signal. Could you check it for me, please? Thanks. Hello? Yes. Oh, right, thanks. Thanks very much.
Paul's gallery. Oh, it's you. Look, I've got to be out until this evening.
I'll call you again about 6.
Okay, fine.
Let me get you a drink, Squire. What are you going to have? Judy?
Have a draft lager.
Pint?
Half.
And more of the same for me again in there, please. Well, you working or taking a break?
Just a couple of days off. What about you?
I'm a commercial. I simply shot round my week's calls like a mad thing, just so that I could drop in here and catch a few trout.
Uh-huh.
The Turland's quite a stretch of river, you know.
Yes, so I gather.
Usually, though, I drive up to a trout lodge about 5 miles away. You know what the good book says? Thy rod and thy hip flask comfort me.
Aye.
I met this man in bars. Just like that.
Rock, where the hell are you? Where the hell have you been? Call me.
Good afternoon.
Do you mind if I have a look round?
Oh, please, enjoy yourself.
Thanks. Simon Wood. Did you know him well?
I beg your pardon?
Simon Wood.
No, sorry, I don't recognise the name.
Oh, I think you do. He was your supplier.
Supplier?
Yeah. Coke. You know, toot.
What?
Cocaine.
Are you crazy?
No, but he is. He's certified. He's in a mental home.
I tell you, I don't know who the hell you're talking about.
Where are you going to get from now?
You're not interested in furniture at all, are you?
No, I'm interested in you and your habit.
Look, I don't have a habit.
What about Lombard, the Frenchman? You know him.
No.
You don't? Oh, well, let me show you. Look, there he is.
Look, I'm sorry, I'm none the wiser.
He's a killer. He killed a lad in Derbyshire. He sliced his balls off. And he killed a woman in Singapore, too.
Look, this has got nothing to do with
That's
me.
You're dealing with murderers and sadists.
I'm not dealing with anyone, for Christ's sake. I'm not into drugs. I don't even smoke. Now, look, get out of here. Go away. Leave me alone.
It's the same with all of you. You start by snorting a few lines, just once in a special while. And it becomes more regular. So you can't sleep. And it's the downers, the quaaludes.
I don't need all this. Get out!
You lads local?
Yeah?
You do drugs?
What's it to you?
I need to score.
You a cop?
Do I look like one? I need to score some coke. What do I see?
You a cokehead? He's not around before 7:30.
Well, how do I recognize him?
I'll tell him you're looking.
Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
What about Lombard?
Next.
Are you sure?
Saute, Interpol, even the DEA. Nothing known.
Would the frogs tell us?
About drugs? Oh, yes. Well, I hope they would. What about this Gloucestershire business?
Well, I assume that's where Ramsey went.
Tilting at windmills.
A lot of windmills are there in Gloucester?
Don Quixote.
Yeah, I saw The Godfather.
Careful what you tell, Ramsey.
I am.
You know Cottesford's an American airbase.
No, I didn't. Maybe Wood was supplying them.
Yeah, quite a few have been busted. LSD at Holy Loch, that sort of thing.
But not too many in court.
Do you mind?
Figures.
Nothing to disturb the special relationship.
What about my special relationship with the DPP?
Nothing came through yet.
Take their bloody time.
The civil servants. Well run, Gavin.
Thought I recognised the hooter.
You should talk.
Doctor, can I get you some tea?
Oh, no, thanks.
Mr. Moss, the gentleman you were having a drink with, has been killed. I've just had the police on.
What happened?
Car crash, A417. Truck ran into him. Instantaneous. He was coming out of the Trout Lodge.
He tried to persuade me to go with him.
What did they say? In the midst of life. Terrible, isn't it? He's a nice chap. He stayed here quite often.
Score some coke.
Haven't got any.
Come on, Cotswold's famous for it.
What?
Well, everyone knows that.
Not me.
Why haven't you got any?
No demand.
No demand. Jesus, mister! I told you, I don't touch it. Honest. I tell you. What about my bike? You buckled the wheel.
Hello. It's the gallery. Problem. Look, I had a call from you-know-who just before lunch. Since then, nothing. No, he said he'd call at 6. He's never late.
$6888. Good evening. Who am I talking to, please? And is that Mrs. Morton? Oh, my name's Ramsey. Dr. Ramsey.
Bull? Who is this? Yes, I do have a reason. I'm sorry to tell you that Mr. Moss has been involved in a motor accident. Yes, I'm afraid it was fatal.
You damaged that car, I really think my husband would kill you.
Is he a collector?
Well, he's crazy enough. No, that's the only one so far. Every half-decent day he drives to the base in it, when he's not in Germany.
You're Mrs. Morton.
Yeah. Come on round the back. I always sit there in the evening. Have a seat. Oh, do you want an orange juice?
Well, actually...
I don't keep anything stronger in the house.
No. That's fine. Does the name Simon Wood mean anything to you?
Woods? No. Should it?
He had your phone number.
Our number? Or the previous occupants?
Well, how long have you been here?
6 months, almost.
Who was here before?
Colonel Brandon Ellis Jr. and family.
You don't like colonels?
No. Not if you're married to a major. And especially not if he's a long-winded old bore who likes to grope you at cocktail parties.
I had no idea service life was so primitive.
Oh, listen, you can't even beat him at golf.
No?
No, you can't just lose either. You have to lose convincingly every defeat at Dunkirk. Who's this, Wood I'm supposed to know?
He's a drugs dealer.
Uh-huh.
He used to supply drugs to the rich and famous and stupid.
I don't think I qualify.
Do you take drugs?
Is he a Brit?
Yes.
And, you think he's supplying Americans?
He did, yes.
Are you sure of your facts?
I'm pretty sure.
I don't see it, you know.
Why not?
That's close to Newcastle. Coca-Cola, Stetson's Burgers, uppers, downers, cocaine, crack, everywhere they go, they take their own.
Well, even in the services?
Naturally. Dead soldiers in Nam were being shipped home in coffins full of Golden Triangle heroin. Ask not what your country can do for you, rather what you can do for it, once to that effect.
So what you're saying is that American servicemen in England wouldn't need to go looking for drugs?
Well, I wouldn't have thought. And maybe Mr. Wood was buying instead of selling.
When did you realize you were an alcoholic?
Smarty pants, eh?
Well, 15 years in a GP surgery. I mean, there's not a lot of surprises left.
Well, it was 4 years ago, but it's under control. Look, it doesn't mean I'm into drugs.
No, of course not. I believe you.
Why is it so important?
I'm looking for someone. A drugs dealer named Lambert. Killed a friend of mine. So what else do you do? Besides these impeccable flower arrangements.
I'm a guide at Blenheim Palace.
Really?
Well, don't sound so surprised. Lots of American tourists, they hear a friendly accent, makes them feel at home. Did you ever see a movie or read a novel called King Rat?
No.
Well, it was about this GI, Changi prison, war story. And even in there, he worked all the rackets. Every angle. Money, power, creature comforts. Now, they're still around, those people. Whatever you want, they can get it. Drugs, girls, you name it.
I just spot them.
Well, they always travel first with second-class tickets. Senior NCOs, 20-year men. Sergeants in rank, generals in lifestyle.
Hey! Hey, you!
You calling me?
Looking for your boss. Lambert! Where is he?
Sorry, Mac, I can't help you.
Hey! You can give him a message.
You tell him Ramsey is looking for him. You tell him to come and find me, okay?
I don't think you were coming.
These things take time.
I cracked it.
Cracked it?
Wood wasn't supplying them. They were supplying wood.
Who's they?
Americans. There's an Air Force base down the road.
Whoa, slow down.
That's true. Wood was buying from them, and they're still in business.
Have you mentioned this to anyone?
Not yet.
Don't.
Why not?
They have a rapport.
Who do?
The Yanks round here spend a lot of dollars, employ bodies, buy goods. The locals like it that way.
They're importing cocaine.
How? How are they doing it?
Well, I haven't got that far yet.
Who told you?
A woman.
The gypsy tea room?
An American woman.
Doc. State of the Union time. Rushing round, seeing things, demolishing cottages, beating up expensive trucks. Where will it end? You and Simon Wood in a double at the funny farm?
Can you get me out?
Why should I? What are you going to smash up next?
Lambert.
Oh, point, peaches.
like to see his room.
That shouldn't be a problem.
Mrs. Moss?
Yes.
I'm the manager of the ball.
How do you do?
I was so sorry to hear about your husband.
I know people think it's stupid of me, morbid, to come up here to see where it happened.
No. I can understand that. You,
Thank you. Ralph loved this part of the country. It's a fair distance from his territory, but...
Wasn't he negotiating to buy a place of his own?
Was he? A great dreamer, Ralph. I was never sure where the dream stopped, or where the money would come from.
He's keen on his fishing.
Very. According to the police, he'd been drinking.
We certainly hadn't had much to drink at lunchtime.
He had a flask with him.
Ah.
He drove off yesterday morning, like any other day. And that's all that's left. It's not right, is it? It can't be.
This take long. The way things are going, it could take all week.
Dr. Ramsden.
Ramsey.
Ramsey. I'm the duty solicitor. Shall we have a little chat? I have an office down here. If you'd like to follow me.
Mrs. Moss.
Yes?
You won't remember me, but we did meet at one of the brewery functions. I'm sorry to disturb you at a time like this.
Oh. Would you like to come in?
If we could, just for 1 minute. We won't stay. My name's Harding, and this is Frank Brennan. We'd like you to accept our condolences. Thank you. This is off the record. The brewery, I know, will be contacting you more formally.
I've already had a call from Ralph's boss.
You've been to Gloucester?
Yes, I just got back.
We telephoned you earlier.
My niece said someone had rung.
Did you collect Ralph's things?
The hotel had them ready for me.
I ask because there's an envelope. It contains papers. Important brewery papers. They're sales forecasts, targets. Sort of embarrassing if they went missing. I wonder if we could collect them.
Ralph's office didn't mention papers.
Well, strictly speaking, he shouldn't have had them.
I don't understand.
They should have never left the office.
Had he done something wrong?
Oh, no, it's not a matter of right or wrong. It's the sort of thing we do all the time and shouldn't. In view of his pension rights, I think we should keep very quiet about it.
That's his briefcase. I haven't even opened it.
May we look?
Help yourself. There are his keys.
I take it the car's a write-off.
I didn't ask.
There's no envelope here, Mrs. Maas.
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't help you.
We have to find it.
If possible.
If it's not there, I don't know where it could be.
How about the suitcase?
Look, by all means.
You know what sticklers companies are when it comes to projected sales.
It's not here either.
I'm sorry. I don't know where to be.
A buff envelope, A4. Quite thick, well filled.
I didn't look at his papers. I never did.
What about the car?
I imagine it was towed away. I didn't ask.
Thank you, Mr. Dawes. You believe her?
Yeah.
What now?
Find the car.
You need a shave.
I know. What's the delay this time?
The arresting officer.
What about him?
He's not here.
Well, why not?
His wife's having a baby.
Oh, for God's sake, I could have delivered the bloody thing for him.
Should have mentioned it. I'm off. For a pint and a pie.
And what about me?
Bread and water, I'm afraid. See you later.
When she got there, the cupboard was bare. The poor dog had none. Which is it? Poor dog or rich cat?
Mushroom 70p now. Mushroom 70p
Okay,
Oh.
Yokels.
Oh, could have been worse.
Well, that's not how.
Well, I thought they were very reasonable.
They should have dealt with it today.
Well, you heard what they said. They weren't satisfied.
Satisfied my arse. You've got a report every evening. They've got your passport. My 500 quid bail.
Oh, that's a small price to pay.
What's all the rush about?
Lombard only appears when things go wrong.
So?
So? I'm gonna make a few more things go wrong.
Ah, afternoon. Paul's Gallery. Could you tell me exactly where you are, please? Ah. No, it's fine. I can find it. All right, that's fine. Thanks very much. Goodbye.
Good afternoon, sir. You gonna have a look inside?
I found it.
Was I right?
Simon Wood, Harley Street, London, West 1. 18 months ago. Watercolour. Local actress. She does it when she's resting. Rather good.
I saw it in his consulting rooms.
Yes, I've sold one or two of hers.
Did you know Simon Wood?
No, not really. He called a couple of times, that's all.
He was involved in a murder in Derbyshire.
Was he? I must have missed that.
Drugs related.
Is that just for one night, sir?
One night, yes.
Would you care to fill in one of these forms?
May I see the room first?
Of course.
That's all right, Judy. I'll show the gentleman up. You from France, sir?
Yes, that's right.
People come from all over the world to the Cotswolds. Thanks, dear. Let's come this way. Right, colour television, telephone. Just dial 9 from outside line. All calls are automatically metered. That's the coffee and tea making apparatus over there. And the bathrooms in here. An abundance of hot water.
My money.
I beg your pardon?
I want my money.
I don't understand.
I'll make you understand.
What do you want?
Money, money, money.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Sneeze, and you'll cut your nose off, yes?
Yes.
An envelope of money with masses like it, remember? It's mine.
There must be some mistake.
Yes, a mistake. Your mistake.
Seen anything you like?
I don't know. Can't seem to make up my mind.
Why not sleep on it? Come back another day.
I might do that.
Why, thank you.
Look, I hate to badger you, but I have a dealer coming to see me.
And you want to get shot of me?
Yes.
I'll be back.
Goodbye. Is that it?
That's it.
Where?
Hotel manager got greedy.
God, what luck.
Luck? Oh, yes, wasn't it?